WPX WordPress Hosting Review, Usage Experience. Links to WPX WordPress hosting are in the description below. WPX is a premium WordPress hosting provider that stands out with its fast performance, top-tier support, and reliable uptime. Tailored for high-performance websites, WPX is ideal for business owners, bloggers, and developers who need a hosting service that can handle high traffic and deliver exceptional speed. One of the standout features of WPX is its blazing fast speeds. With servers optimized specifically for WordPress, WPX provides excellent page loading times and uses a custom-built CDN to further enhance website speed worldwide. This makes it an excellent choice for websites that prioritize speed, such as e-commerce stores or media-heavy blogs. Additionally, WPX offers free website migrations and handles the entire transfer process, which is a significant time saver for users migrating from other hosts. WPX also excels in customer support. Their support team is available 24/7 through live chat and is known for providing quick, knowledgeable responses. Whether you need help with performance optimization or troubleshooting an issue, WPX's support team is quick to resolve issues, making them one of the best in the industry. Security features are another strength of WPX, with free SSL certificates, daily backups, and malware scanning included in all plans. These ensure that your website remains safe and your data is protected, without requiring any additional setup. For those who need powerful hosting for high-traffic sites or want a hassle-free experience with managed WordPress hosting, WPX is an outstanding option. It may be priced higher than some basic hosting plans, but the performance, security, and customer support make it worth the investment. In summary, WPX is an excellent choice for users who prioritize speed, reliability, and support. Whether you're a business owner, blogger, or developer, WPX offers a seamless and high-performance WordPress hosting experience.